Yo, what's good? What's good? Your main man here, Omar G. First thing first, I want to say sorry. Yesterday, I could not give you guys my full potential. Do I have to take care of my parents and everything? But yeah, no matter what, let's go jump into the market straight away. Okay, as usual, I'm gonna start with my GJ. Okay, GJ yesterday make a very what I call I think a very early premature premature ejaculation. That is how I always like to say it because okay, yesterday my expectation for it to go for their sell is actually quite early. Okay, I was targeting for them to go slightly higher between this zone, but what happened is they ended up go only reach between this level of uh break of structure and straight away rejected after the news happened. So no worries, we might not be able to get the sell, but we did kill the we did manage to make the breakout for buy around roughly 60 pips. Okay, but no worries. Okay, so as you guys can see right now, I already draw down to you guys so which area and which zone that I'll be expecting and where I'll be looking for to do any buy or any sell. Okay, so as you guys can see right now from my Fibonacci level here from this theory that already created, I'll be looking for my buy for my sell is between this zone. Okay guys, between this zone. Okay, this is my normal pullback level where this is what we call the medium risk entry zone, and this is the low risk entry zone, and here is the invalidation level for us to make our sell. Okay, because why, once they broke this level of structure, they will most probably go all the way up here for them to make the proper sell. Okay, chill. Okay, and that is for my sell for this GJ, and this level here will be the level that I'll be looking for another buy. Okay, they will go drop down all the way here and they will make their buy again. That is for my GJ. Okay, invalidation level for buy is here, invalidation level for sell will be here, and this will be the zero float entry zone. Okay guys, and as you guys can see, they've already broke the structure here actually. Yeah, you can expect that the movement is gonna be like this. Okay, they're gonna be like 1 2 3 4 5. They're gonna be slightly higher, one more zone here before they make the proper drop. All right, so that is for my GJ. So as for now, we're just gonna let it be set by all the way until the London session. And then during London session and intersection between London and the US session only, we will expect for them to make their sell. And for our Euro AUD, my Euro AUD is still on running progress. They already entered this selling zone twice. Okay, first entry zone we were doing here, drop all the way for 100 pips, and then they entered again, drop again for another 90 pips, and then entered again, drop again right now to 79 pips. So if I were to make a buying, I'm not gonna make any buying anytime soon, because if okay, some people is gonna trade using Elliott wave and so on. So if you count the Elliott wave, the wave pattern is still not proper developed for them to make their buy. So without using the Elliott wave, you can see we're using the price action only. You can see that the market, okay, usually it's gonna be like this. All right, bam, 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 drop one more time between this zone. So that's why I'm marking for my buy is gonna be between this level here. Then only once they entered this zone, bam, only they will going to make the proper buy. So as for now, we're just going to keep on continuing selling, and I'm still holding my position. We can expect that this sell can be around 200 pips. Okay, so just going to let it be for a while. Okay, I'm not going to push the market and whatsoever, because we're going to have a few high impact news for today and tomorrow onwards. It's not that I don't like to trade during the high impact news. It's just that it's going to disturb your direction of your market. Okay, but let's say if the market did not manage to go and reach between the zone, they're gonna stuck and respect it at this level of support. I'll be looking only to go for another buy, and only once they drop this level of support here. Okay, they drop, then they're gonna break the structure. You see this diagonal trend line here, this diagonal resistance. Once they broke the structure, they will retest here, they will stop here, and they will come back here again to retest. All right, this will be the zone that I'll be looking for me to go and find another buy. All right. So that's for Euro AUD and our GA. Okay, GA. Since we're going to have a multiple, what you call that thing, multiple high impact news, and after this also is going to having what you call it thing, Australian news. I'm not gonna look for any continuous sell. Can we? No. Okay, we can, but it's gonna be slightly high risk. So why should we burn ourselves and everything, burn our account? Good lord, why should we burn our account and enter all this crazy trade rather than we play safe? Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for this buying opportunity later on instead because they're gonna go all the way down here, all right, and this level here has not been retested, so expect that the price gonna drop all the way down here to this level of support and come back up again before they make any proper selling momentum or selling position or whatsoever. Okay, and this will be our invalidation for us to enter, to continue our buy, and this zone is roughly around, oh, it's around 30 pips. Yeah, it's still around 30 pip zone. So you gotta be careful and know how to manage your account. All right, guys, that is for our GA. Okay, for our UJ here. Okay, for this UJ is a little bit tricky. Yeah, yeah, it's a little bit tricky. Okay, yesterday they did a manipulation whereby they was about to go and drop, and once they started to drop, suddenly the news kick in, bam, all the way up. Another news coming again, bam, they drop again all the way down. So right now they're in the middle of nowhere. Okay, when the market is in the middle of nowhere, do not ever push your trade. Okay, as like yesterday, I heard a lot of few of complaints, not to say complaints, like a few feedbacks, because I was not attending you guys much very well yesterday. So a lot of my clients and my students were, get bust out from this trade, especially on the UJ. Even though the pips was, the SL was like very thin. I was giving like 15 pips SL or 20 pips like that, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, but still, some of you guys was like expecting that the market is still gonna go to your favor. So most of them was like holding the sell all the way up to 70 pips, and it's flush your account. Some people was like having, half of the account was flush and everything. I'm not blaming you guys, okay, but it's something that, what we call it, I think is something not expected, but it's okay. We'll try to recover back. Whether it's not gonna be this week, it's gonna be next week. Remember, trading is not always gonna be on your favor all the time. So yeah, keep your heads up, chin up, never what I call that thing. Don't ever what I call that thing. Be down or disappointed on your trade because you already did your part as best as you can. It's just that the market is not always gonna be on your favor. Cheers everyone, your main man here, Omar G.